Together we will return to Israel, landing in Tel Aviv at Ben Gurion Airport. And we will dedicate ourselves as volunteers and non-combatant workers. We will contribute to the rebuilding of the Holy Land through healthcare, construction, and other acts of service. I call upon the Chabad rabbis, to all of the priests and pastors across the United States of America, to deliver this message. You will deliver this message to your congregations, and you will aid in the sealing of the 144,000. This sacred mission will be done in collaboration with the Mormon Church, the Jehovah's Witnesses, the Church of God in Christ, the Catholic Church, and all people of faith who honor